Woo! That was a bit tricky, but give yourselves a big round of applause. Yeah, mums and dads and grandmas and grandpas and everybody that's here today. Now, you know, I actually have a very special friend, but first, I do have to make a very special announcement, okay? Can everyone listen? On the stage here, there's a big step. So, can we make sure that no one comes up on the stage unless I ask you to come up? Because I don't want anyone to hurt themselves, okay? That would be fantastic, thank you. Now, I have a very special friend that wanted to come today, and I can't find him anywhere. Now, he heard about the Magical Garden, and he said, right, I'm going to see you on stage, but I don't know where he's gone. Now, the problem is, he's a little animal. You might be able to guess which one it is, what sort of animal it is. I'll give you a clue. He's grey, he's got little ears, he loves to climb trees, and he loves to eat gum leaves.